Just kidding. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing more Catbird. I said in the last video, powder game. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna do a stream or not. I might try to make a stream. So last time I said we haven't done Catbird in a while, and we haven't. And I think it's a month or 3 weeks. So this is number 4 now. And let's get right into this. So instead of Madra, we've been focusing on Zipza. But I'm not doing Zipza today. No. No, I'm continuing with Marda. So we were XIII. I don't know my numerals. I've never been taught them, so let's go. Spike Topper. Okay. There's also the creature here. Hiya! Okay, we have to go to the bottom. Oh no, the spikes. Ooh, okay. So that's gonna be a challenge. Oh shit, I just fell in. Straight, no. Come on, go up. Okay, so that's spike. So this spiky thing over there is an issue. Oh, I'm gonna go back. Okay. Ah! I was hit by the last one. Alright, so this one's gonna go up there. How did I miss that giant opening there? See that? No, why did I do that? Ah! So, yeah, I went out the game, had a little thought, and I realized that's pretty much the only way. Unless we can get up there. Yeah, which we can't. Ow! Got it. No! No. It's gonna go to the front. I hope there's gonna be a checkpoint in this. I didn't even touch the spike. I hope there's gonna be a checkpoint in this level. I'm trying to go up there, but you don't seem to be. I didn't touch. Well, that is annoying. Okay, great. Okay. Clear. Also clear. Come on. They got this thing down. Alright, after way too many tries, I finally got here. That was way too hard. Like, you don't know how much time I spent on that. Let's get up here. Okay, no, we can't. Okay, what is this? Is it gonna stay in the milk? Oh, that is. Oh, so the milk has actually a maximum depth. I thought it just goes to like forever or something like that. Ah! let's go here. Okay, so we definitely need another one. Oh, it comes to there! Great. I didn't even know that. Get this, get that, bada boom, bada boom. Okay. So this part is easy. Okay, so I know how this part goes down. So this time I'm just gonna go straight to the right. So be back. Okay, so I'm back on the level long way, and I finally got over the thing. So now we're gonna do this, drop of that, and now we just gotta make it across without dying. Yeah! Okay, I bet you something's gonna appear on the way. Let's do this. Okay, nothing. Ooh, there's a checkpoint. That's gonna be bad, because it's called long way. So I definitely got the checkpoint, just in case. Let me do that. Okay, so we have some new enemies here. Okay, then. Good thing we don't have to start from the top. How do I get the crown? Oh, I see. I gotta go down here. Ah! Okay, you know what? You can finish the level without the crown, right? I'm not even sure. Let's try finishing it without the crown. How am I supposed to do this? Oh, there was a space there. So let's try without the crown. Let's do this mighty quick. Yes! Okay, so I didn't need a crown. So guys, the Crusher, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Like, subscribe the video, and peace out.